Smartwatches have become all the rage these days, with their fitness tracking features being particularly useful for people who already lead an active life, or those who plan to move to one. The tons of features that prompt users to maintain their workout regimen by making it fun and their progress easy to track has meant that these smart fitness watches have become essential tools in promoting a healthy lifestyle. And very few brands are as readily identified with this health revolution as Fitbit, which has almost become a generic name to signify high-quality fitness watches. Our product today is the Fitbit Blaze Smart Fitness Watch, one of the prime offerings in the range of wearables from the company.
Here we go!
As the name suggests, the Fitbit Blaze Fitness Watch is equipped with many enhanced features that keep your fitness in focus, especially in combination with the versatile Fitbit phone app. You can set weekly exercise goals on the app and then check your workout summaries on the watch to monitor your progress. The Smart Track feature automatically recognizes and records your exercises so that you get credit for your workout even if you forget to log it. The Multi-Sport feature lets you choose from modes like running, biking, and cardio to see real-time stats on display. There's the very useful FitStar feature that gives you step-by-step instructions and coaching to channel all your physical effort in the best possible manner. Of course, you do get the standard tracking benefits too that any good quality smartwatch offers these days. This includes tracking of steps, distance covered, calories burned, floors climbed, and heart rate, all of which keep you better informed and motivated. And while you are busy working out, the watch also ensures that you don't miss your important calls, messages, and calendar alerts because it gives you notifications on the watch display itself. Another useful feature, still not seen in many watches, is the compatibility with the GPS on your phone. You can connect the Fitbit Blaze with the phone GPS to map your route and see run stats like pace and duration. The watch's great software strength is complemented by its beautiful design. The smart-looking hexagonal face adds to the appeal of this black and silver watch, which lets you customize the look with interchangeable band, frames, and clock faces. The display itself is a high-resolution color touchscreen protected by Gorilla Glass. The battery life is another remarkable feature, with 5 to 6 days of life on one full charge, easily seen by its users. Talking of users, let's see how this sleek timepiece from Fitbit fares in the customer reviews. It has earned an average of 3.9 on 5 stars from an incredible 7,500 plus reviewers, making it one of the best-selling smartwatches out there. With all these features at a very attractive price point, this looks like another winner from Fitbit. That's all we have on the Fitbit Blaze Smart Fitness Watch for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other smartwatch reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.